Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello my fly babies, my patrons, my lions. Today is Thursday and I am your FlyLady Kat. I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. And so what are we doing today? 3-layer cake. What is the 3-layer cake? Morning routine, all the routines actually. Basic weekly plan, and for Thursday that means we're doing errand day. And the last thing is your zone. We're still in zone 2, the kitchen. So here we go. You're going to get up this morning and do your morning routine. After you've done your morning routine, you're going to go into your family and get them up and put them through their morning routine. If you have to go to work, you still want to make sure your kids have been through their morning routine and that they know their jobs for the day. If you're going to let them sleep, plan on calling them on your first break to make sure that they've done everything. So you're going to inspect what you expect by phone. If you are staying home and your children are sleeping in, wonderful. Enjoy your morning quickly. Get your other stuff done. Get your basic weekly plan done, which is buying your groceries, and your zone 2, the kitchen. So maybe you'll work in the kitchen first and then later go to the grocery store. Or maybe you can go to it depends on how old your children are, if you need to take them with you or whatever. So that's your plan for today. That is a super easy plan. Now if you're working, what you're going to do is, like I said, call them on your first break, make sure any delegations are done. When you're on your break, you're going to think about the weekly home blessing hour, if you can delegate anything. So let's say Monday you did dusting, Tuesday mirrors, Wednesday garbage cans. So today, have somebody mop the kitchen and the bathrooms. Less than 10 minutes, they can do it. Okay. Next thing is, or you have to do it when you come home, or you opt to do it on Saturday. That is your choice. That is your choice. So don't fuss about it on Saturday when you have to do it all. Or if you haven't delegated it, don't fuss about it. All right. And then the last thing is that zone, which is the kitchen. So when you come home, you're going to start your supper. You're going to put a load of laundry in. You're going to go through an inch of paper. And then while supper is holding, you're going to work in the kitchen, either decluttering, or hopefully by now you don't have to declutter and you can just do a deep clean thing. So let's say that you decided to clean out the microwave. That's a 3-minute job. If there's really gross stuff in there, my favorite thing to do is put a cup of water, squeeze a lemon in it, throw the whole thing into the, I don't know, I put it in my glass measuring cup, but whatever you want to put it in that's microwave safe, and then microwave it for a minute or two. Let it sit, let that steam get in there, and then you just wipe it out. It smells good and it wipes out very easily. Okay. That's my little hint for today. Now after dinner, we're all going to come together and do our after dinner routine and then the before bed routines. If you're tired, do yours first. If you're not so tired, put the kids through theirs first. Now for your at-home fly babies, when you first get up after the morning routine and the kids' routines, or if you're waiting on the kids, go ahead and put a load of laundry in and go through an inch of paper too. I didn't tell you that. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.